Good morning, class. So, today we will be doing the question answers of Moral Science lesson number 1. In the last video, we have done the moral of the story. We have discussed about the moral of the story, the exercise I have given you, and I have given you the meanings. Now, in this video, you have to write the question and answers. I will be dictating and you have to see and write it in your copy. I have already told you about the copy. The copy should be interleaf copy. Okay, students? So, the first question is, why was the woman afraid? The woman got afraid because she was thinking that now death is very close and they will die. So, this is answer number 1. As it is, you have to copy down in your copy. You will be writing the question and the answer both. Don't write only the answer. Then, the second is, in which state was the man sitting in the boat? The man was calm and silently sitting in the boat. Now, come up to question number 3. Why was the woman not afraid of the man's sword on her neck? The answer is, the woman was not afraid of the man's sword on her neck because she knows her husband loves her too much and can't do anything like that. Please see to it here in answer number 3. This is SWORD. Because she knows her husband loves her too much and can't do anything like that. Till here is the answer. Got it? Now question number 4. What did the man tells his wife? Please cut this the. This is a wrong English. What did the man tell his wife? Answer. The man told his wife that I know God loves me and I fully trust God that whatever the situation is, He will save us. Again I am repeating. The man told his wife that I know God loves me and I fully trust God that whatever the situation is, again I am repeating this, is He will save us. So this is answer number 4. Now, how does faith in God help us? Our faith should be firm and whatever is the situation, we should be positive that everything will be good. Again I am repeating, our faith should be firm and whatever is the situation, we should be positive that everything will be good. So, here I have given you the question answers. All 5 question answers you have to write it in your copy. What all you have to write, again I am repeating, the moral of the story that is given on page number 6. The word meanings under the moral of the story is given and the question answers you have to write it in your copy. Got it everyone? Now turn the page. Come to page number, that is 8. Now leave this one. Right now you don't have to do this. We will do it further. This one. Think and ponder. Write down an inspiring event from the life of your favorite warrior in the history. Children, from class 3 you are studying history. So you have learned about many warriors. Okay, in this chapter also that man was a warrior. So you have learned about the different kinds of warriors from the history. So from that, who is your favorite, and an event you have to write about him, that what inspires you a lot from that warrior. In the book only you have to write. The lines are given on page number 8 and it is continuing on page number 9. So only this much you have to write, that is 6 to 7 lines, not much more. Now on page number 9, time to find out. Some popular bravery awards are given by the Indian government every year in different fields. Now every year the Indian government is giving different kinds of awards. Okay, so one of the award is that bravery award. You have to write any 2 names of the bravery awards, to whom these awards given. From you have to take out from the internet. From where you will find out? From the internet. Then the third question is, name some recipients of these awards, and fourth question is, what are the constituents of these awards? You will find this from the internet. So this is your homework and I will be discussing this in next week. Till then you have to complete your copy. Moral of the story, you have to write in the copy the word meanings and the question answers. Okay children, and this is page number 8 and 9 is your homework. We will be discussing in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.